get out quickly in transition, try to find our rhythm in the open court. That's how we generate our looks and our shots. So, yun, mabuti pumasok yung mga unang tira namin, nagka-momentum kami sa umpisa pa lang. Alam din namin medyo nagdijeta pa yung import nung kabila. So baka may pa kami, no? May advantage pa kami doon sa side na yon na we're able to yun nga, outnumber them in transition, gaining that advantage. Pagdating kasi sa half court, wala kaming pang match-up doon sa import nila, no? So our only chance really was to play the transition game. In the half court, we had no answer for their import. Even our import, Jalen Johnson, had hard time trying to stop him, no, when he's at the low post, no. So we just tried to turn his advantage into a liability. So yun ang tingin namin pinakamagandang paraan para manalo.
Coach, congratulations. Coach, yung napakalayo nung score, I gave you a chance to use your rookies, but one of those rookies, si Wow, we start mo and he responded with 15 points. Can you talk about this, yung kanyang progress?
Binigyan talaga namin siya ng minutes this game kasi hindi ko siya nagamit ng previous 3 games namin, but I see him in practice and he deserves to get minutes. Hindi ko lang maisingit dahil nga mahaba yung rotation natin. So tingin ko maganda siya start sa game today. Nag-deliver siya. Yung ginagawa niya sa game, that's his regular game. That's his regular performance, no? Even in practice. I'm not surprised. Even si June Roque, maganda rin ng nilaro, rookie, solid game din si Josh David. So when I felt na medyo we were in control of the game, I just gave them extra minutes just to build their confidence.
Today, you had 22 points tonight, pero 18 doon lang sa first quarter. Sabi dito, yung first 3 games mo, 8 total points ka. So medyo na-exceed mo yung production mo tonight. Napapaganda bang isip mo yun o ano bang ginawa mo para makabawi ngayon?
Mukhang wala akong hindi, maganda yung yung unang tira ko pumasok, sabi ko baka magtuloy-tuloy ito, and tinry, luckily pumapasok naman, so yun.
Coach, how big was the return of Jalen after that suspension?
Really big, no? Mararamdaman mo yung impact ni Jalen doon sa cohesiveness namin, no? He knows when to look for his points. He knows when to look for his teammates. He gets his defense done. Masyado lang talagang malaki si Upshaw, but he can defend. He can switch to the quicker guards. He can defend the bigs. Very smart. He's high IQ. You tell him what you need, he's going to deliver what you need. So tinatanong niya ano pa kailangan mo. So yun, no, na-miss namin yun, pero mabuti yun nga, na-iraos namin yung Meralco game namin. But this is a good sign, no? The team's gelling well. We're going into the Holy Week break with a 4-0 record. So medyo maganda-ganda yung Holy Week break namin.
Coach, good evening. Coach, at the same time, you gave yung mga new recruits sila, Wow, sila David, sila okay ng additional minutes to play the game.
Yun naman ang namin, no? Objective namin, just to make our team deeper, make our rookies more confident about their game. Yun sinabi ni Andre kanina, we celebrate the successes of our teammates. No? Natutuwa kami pagka nagsasucceed yung mga kasama namin, hindi lang naman puro pang sarili. Si Andre, medyo pinagagalitan ko to previously because I was not getting the game that I was expecting. Sabi ko magandang start ngayon para mabigyan ng chance makabawi. So bumawi naman, nakabawi naman. So same chance we give veterans is same chance we give to the rookies whenever it's possible.
Coach, when was the last time na you handle natin na who scored, which scored, ganito kalaking nagawa natin dito?
Hindi ko matandaan. No? Hindi ko matandaan. Tinignan ko ang score kanina, sabi ko, parang all-star game yung score. Pero there will come nights like this. No? Coach Jeff had a bad night with his team, but that's not the real game. They beat Magnolia the last game, so medyo we approach this game very cautiously. Sabi ko sa team in the dugout, if by the fourth quarter, Blackwater is close to us in the scores, we will have a problem. We will have to grind this game out. Mabuti na lang nakalayo kami ng maaga.
Coach, thank you.
Thank you.